Hello and very good morning from Vijay. This is ITIN investment trading based on Elite Wave. Today is 23rd December, 6:30 a.m. And in continuation with our yesterday's view in Bank Nifty and Nifty, we said uh, we said we will be looking for a selling opportunity in Bank Nifty as well as in Nifty once we get a bounce. And in a follow up, we were saying that once this high is taken out, we will be having an incomplete sequence and that will give us a connector. So we'll just check it in this chart. Here it is. So since it was having an bearish sequence after breach of this low, we said we can have a selling opportunity, but then we want to have a bounce to have an entry. So we are looking for this bounce, and during our update during the day, we have mentioned that once we breach this high of 21st December, which is almost 60,936, we will be having an very short term incomplete sequence, and that will give us a confirmation. Or rather, confirmation means that will give us a connector because this was the first leg, this is a second leg. Unless and until this was going to breach, there was every possibility that it can go down further and then again it will try to inch up. So once this is taken out, we got a confirmation that this is the connector that has been formed, and now with that, this entry level we can arrive, which is an equal leg of this. So we will be initiating a selling position at this zone. Uh, but then there is one more possibility that if it doesn't get restricted at this zone, there is a possibility that it may extend beyond this level also. If that happens, then there is a possibility that it will make an another three-wave correction on upside, and then in that case, our connector, this A connector will be shifted here. We'll have to shift our counting in that case. So this will become A, this will become B, and then our entry zone will also change based on that. Once this new connector is formed, based on that, we will have to shift our entry zone, and then it may go a little down. If that happens, so let's say if it goes up to this, then our new level, entry level will be maybe, sorry, it will be shifted up. So our new entry will be 16,240. So that is just to give an idea that this is also the possibility that can happen because market is not in our hand, and we need to change our wave counts and our analysis and the further view based on the market trend or the market movement. But then ultimately the idea remains the same. We are expecting a downside, one more leg downside after this bounce. The only thing is that whether the bounce will be halted at this zone or it will again give one more leg up, because every time when the correction happens, it will happen in 3, 7, or 11, or 15. So like that format it will happen. So if it is not going to stop after this 3, there is possibility that another three waves up. So one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Seven waves can be there, and once we get that level, we can initiate the sale position at that vicinity. And again, the view is we will be having a downside, and then after this downside, we can expect a up move. So the similar view is in Bank Nifty also. So after breach of this high, we got a confirmation that this is the connector, and with that we are expecting this level. So once we get at this level, we will be initiating our sell position. But then again, the alternate possibility is it can move further, and if it breaches this, then we will be exiting our this position, sell position. But then we will be again looking for another corrective move, three-wave corrective move. So with that, we can initiate a fresh position with these fresh levels. So this is what we have in Nifty and Bank Nifty. But then as of now, we are sticking to our views, and there is no change because there is no confirmation as such that will be extending the move beyond this. So as long as we are below this end of this blue box, we will be in having the same view, and we will be in our trade. Only if it breaches this, our position will get existing position will exit, and then we'll look for another selling opportunity. But then the overall idea remains the same. We are looking for an another leg downside with respect to this move. Only thing, our connector will get shifted. Instead of here, it will become like this based on the move. So this is what we have in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Even the option data is suggesting that there can be a slight upside because a new OI built up is happening. Put OI built up is happening at around 16,900, 16,800. It's not that aggressive, but then still it is happening. So today is a expiry. Uh, 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 so based on that, we may see some volatility in Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. In Bank Nifty also, if you see, the OI built up is happening slightly at 35,000, and at every downward level, slight OI built up is happening, which indicates that there is a slight support getting generated. But then this is not that huge. It can be for few days, maybe for this expiry, and in on higher side there is an good OI built up in Bank Nifty, almost at 35,500. There is a good overall OI built up. So this is going to be the resistance zones, and even our this level also says that 36,000 is the level where we are expecting the move to extend at the max. And 35,500 is the same, 35,400 is the same level where we want to initiate the sale position, and the OI built up, max OI built up is also at 35,500. So that goes in line with our view. And even Nifty, as we have said, uh, there is an huge OI built up at almost uh, 17,200. That is the max OI call OI built up at 17,200. That indicates that 17,200 is going to be a good resistance level. And even with our view, also it's the same. We want to initiate a sale position at 17,214 zone. So that goes in line with our view, and even the option data suggests that whatever view we are presenting, that should be get executed. And so that's it. Based on that, we will be initiating the position as per our levels. Wish you a happy trading. Thank you.